This food burns my mouth right now.
Oh no, is it too spicy?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, it is very spicy.
I am sorry. What did you order?
I ordered mild food, not spicy.
I understand. Let me check quickly.
My mouth feels hot and painful.
Did you eat much of it?
Only 2 bites, then I stopped.
Thank you for telling me early.
I cannot finish this dish.
I see. That is not okay.
Can you change it for me?
Yes, of course. I will help.
I want something mild, please.
Would you like no chili at all?
Yes, no chili. Very simple.
I will replace it with mild food.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Please wait a few minutes here.
No problem. I can wait.
Here is your new dish now.
It smells good and not spicy.
Please try a small bite first.
Yes, this tastes much better.
I am glad you like it now.
Thank you for fixing this quickly. Oh no, I made a mistake again.
What happened? Is there a problem?
Hi, Sarah. Can I change my order?
Hello, Tom. Yes, tell me please.
I ordered pasta but want rice.
No problem. We can change it.
I hope it is not too late.
Do not worry. We just started.
That is good to hear. Thanks.
What would you like instead?
I want rice with vegetables.
Okay, rice and vegetables only?
Yes, no meat, please.
Thank you for telling me clearly.
I am sorry for the trouble.
It is fine. This happens often.
Will the price stay same?
Yes, the price is same.
That makes me feel better.
I will update your order now.
Thank you for helping me.
Please wait a few minutes.
Sure, I will wait here.
Your new order will come soon.
I am glad I asked in time.
Me too. Happy to help you.
Thanks for being so kind.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
This coffee smells strong, but I feel unsure.
Wait, you look worried. Something feels wrong?
Hi, Sarah. I think this drink is wrong.
Hello, Tom. What drink did you want today?
I wanted tea, not coffee, really.
Oh no, I am sorry about that.
I asked for tea with milk.
I heard coffee. Maybe I misunderstood you.
I do not drink coffee at all.
I see. That is my mistake today.
Coffee makes my heart feel fast.
Thank you for telling me clearly now.
Can you please change it for me?
Yes, of course. Please give me cup.
Here you go. Thank you for helping.
I will make fresh hot tea now.
Please add milk and little sugar.
Milk and sugar, no coffee, right?
Yes, that sounds perfect for me.
Please wait 1 minute at counter.
No problem. I can wait here.
Here is your hot tea now.
This smells nice, much better now.
Please check it before you drink.
Yes, this is tea. Thank you.
I am happy you like it.
Thanks for fixing it so kindly. This bill looks high. Something feels wrong.
Wait, let me see it carefully, please.
Hi, Sarah. I think the bill is wrong.
Hello, Tom. What seems wrong here?
I ordered tea, not 2 coffees.
Let me check the bill again now.
It shows coffee twice on list.
Yes, I see the mistake here.
I only had 1 tea today.
I am very sorry about this.
It is okay. Mistakes can happen.
Thank you for being patient, Tom.
Can you please fix the bill now?
Yes, I will correct it quickly.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
I will remove the extra coffee.
The total should be lower now.
Yes, this new bill is correct.
Can I check it once more?
Of course, please take your time.
Yes, this looks right now.
Here is the updated bill for you.
Thank you for fixing it so fast.
You are welcome. Happy to help.
I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card here.
All done. Thanks again today. Oh no, I do not have enough money.
What happened? The price is high?
Hi, Sarah. My money is not enough.
Hello, Tom. Let me understand the problem.
I want this meal, but cash is low.
Did you check the total carefully?
Yes, I counted my money twice.
How much money do you have now?
I have only a little left.
The total is a bit more.
I feel embarrassed about this.
It is okay. Many people face this.
Is there a cheaper option here?
Yes, we have a smaller meal.
That sounds good for me.
It costs less than this one.
Can I change my order, please?
Yes, I will change it now.
Thank you for understanding me.
You are welcome. No problem.
Now I can pay easily.
Please give the money here.
Here you go. This is fine.
Yes, the amount is correct.
I feel relieved now.
I am glad I could help.
Thank you for being kind.